Rick D. Herter. Rick Herter grew up near Dowagiac Municipal Airport and took his first flight at age 13. After earning a degree in commercial art from Spring Arbor University, he moved to Kalamazoo and began combining his artistic skill with a passion for aviation. Herter has completed commissioned works for the U.S. Air Force, U.S. Navy, Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum, the Pentagon, and major aerospace companies including Boeing, Gulfstream, Delta Airlines, and UPS. His clients include the Armed Forces of Israel, the Netherlands, Singapore, Japan, the United Kingdom, Kuwait, and Greece. In 1990, he received the U.S. Air Force Recruiting Service's highest civilian honor, the American Spirit Award. Among his most iconic works is the Century of Flight mural at the Airzo Aerospace and Science Center, completed in 2004 with assistant Tony Hendrick. Spanning more than 26,000 square feet, it was recognized as the world's largest indoor hand-painted mural. For his contributions to aviation art and creation of the Airzo's iconic mural, Rick Herter is inducted into the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.